All right, so we don't need all of these. But I got to do the throw out, pour out for dramatic effect, right? We have a muffin tin with 12 Easter muffin cups, okay? We're making Easter crack cookies, okay? We got our little Ritz crackers going in. Now let's go make that caramel. We got a stick of butter, get it nice and melted. Butter's melted, add in a cup of brown sugar. Just want to borrow a cup of brown sugar. Points for you if you know what movie that's from. All right, get that in there. Break it up, stir it up, bring it to a boil for about 2 or 3 minutes. All right, all boiled up and ready to go. We're just gonna get about a tablespoon or so of our little caramel mix in there. Get this into a 350 oven, 7-8 minutes. Okay, don't let that caramel burn, right? I'll see you in a sec. Team, we are out of the oven. Caramel's looking caramelly. We got some chocolate chips going on top. A tablespoon or so too. All right. Just enough to kind of cover the caramel. Let that kind of set and melt up a little bit. Chocolate chips have melted a little bit in here, so we're gonna just kind of smooth them on out. Now we got a little M&Ms with bunny ears attached, all right? And we're just gonna drop a few on each. All right, there you go. Should put the bunny ears in one of them. Now we're gonna get this in the fridge or the freezer in case you're impatient. But for me, it'll be in the fridge a couple hours, make sure it's nice and set, and we'll tear into one. I'll see you in a sec. Team, these are fun little bites. The kids are gonna love them, the adults will love them too. You're gonna wanna make these for your Easter party or a random Tuesday. Baby, you know they're good.